Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a journey to prioritize health and nutrition. Today, we'll explore some simple yet powerful steps to fuel your body right and embrace a healthier lifestyle. It all starts with hydration. Stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. It not only quenches your thirst but also supports digestion, boosts energy, and promotes overall well-being. Next, let's talk about the importance of colorful and nutrient-dense foods. Fill your plate with a variety of fruits and vegetables to ensure you're getting essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish your body from within. Make whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats a part of your daily diet. These nutrient-rich foods provide sustained energy, support muscle growth, and help maintain a healthy weight. Remember, balance is key. Treat yourself occasionally, but aim for moderation when it comes to indulgences. Enjoy that piece of cake or a small portion of your favorite dessert guilt-free, but make sure to prioritize nutrient-dense foods most of the time. Physical activity is an essential aspect of a healthy lifestyle. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's a brisk walk, a dance class, or playing a sport. Regular exercise not only keeps your body strong but also enhances your mood and promotes mental well-being. And let's not forget about the importance of listening to your body. Eat mindfully, pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and develop a healthy relationship with food that's based on nourishment, not restriction. By incorporating these simple practices into your daily routine, you're on your way to embracing a healthier lifestyle and unlocking the potential of your amazing body. Thank you for joining us on this journey to prioritize health and nutrition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share it with your loved ones. Here's to a vibrant and nourished life. See you in the next video.